Alright, here we are, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, looking at the, got that Canadian wildfire smoke rolling on in here to the burg. Just gonna zoom in a little bit. Yeah, you can smell it. You can smell that wood burning. Zoom all the way out here. Pan across here. Keep panning here. Pittsburgh International Airport right there. Nighttime I can see the landing lights. It's on the cargo or military side of the airport. Sorry, I'm not filming them too good. Okay. Hey, anyhow, just want to show you guys the smoke here from the Canadian wildfires here in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. Yeah, it's getting pretty thick. It smells like a campfire out here. All right, KP 68. I got to get back to work here. I'm on break. Go to the edge of the building here. Quite the view up here. All right, I got to get on out here. KP 68, free and clear. Click, click.